Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried catfish. You will need 2 pounds of catfish, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and canola oil for frying. In a small bowl, combine your garlic powder, salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Now mix until well combined. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned and dried your catfish. Now generously season your catfish with your seasoning mixture on both sides. In a separate bowl, add the remainder of your seasoning mixture, your cornmeal, and your flour. Now whisk until well combined. Dredge your catfish in the egg wash, then the seasoned flour, then place on a wire rack. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe and other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Add your oil to your cast iron skillet and using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now fry your fish for 8 minutes or until golden brown. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to press.